Now welcome. My name na Esther. We come to show now how to do fish roll. So fish roll is the thing that you can use and hold your belly before eating the main food. So the ingredient to use and do the fish roll is flour. I've already put my flour inside bowl. You add your milk flavor. Then you add your sugar. I've added my sugar. Then you add your butter. You add your butter to the quantity you want to use. You add your milk, your big nutmeg, little quantity. Then you add your baking powder. After which you mix the flour and the ingredients to mix together very well. Before then you wash your hand. Before I start, I wash my hand very clean and neat. You mix it, make sure you mix it together for it to mix very well. Then you add your salt, a little bit salt. After adding your salt, you still turn it for it to mix together. Then you now mix your water little by little, small, oh. Do not pour everything at once. You put your water till it reach the size where you want. you don't mix and finish inside the bowl, you bring it out, put in your board, put them for your board. Then you start to massage it very well on top of your board. When you are massaging it on top of the board, you put your flour small on top of the board so that the thing no go gum for the board. Make sure you massage it very well so that the thing go mix together. Everything where you put go mix together. If you massage very well, you go see say the thing go down dey soft for your hand. You know say the thing don't mix together. You carry it out. You put small flour for the board again. Carry your rolling pin. You rub powder, I rub flour for your rolling pin. Roll them. Roll them till the thing dey flat. The thing down dey flat. You go carry fish, put them for the end. You go come roll your fish roll. Don't roll one finish now. I don't wrap my fish roll finish now. Remain for me to fry. I want to carry and go and fry now. I don't put my groundnut oil for fire. I will put fire now and start to fry. My oil is hot. Now I don't fry my fish roll. To put them small, make the oil no pour for your body. To put the size we will contain the pot. To slow down your gas, make the thing no done at once. We dey do small. My fish roll is ready. Don't ready now. Don't pack and come out for the oil. We don't finish do our fish roll. As you can see, the thing look very beautiful. You fine well for eye, and that's why you go sweet to chop. Make you not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I sabi make am. Thank you for staying with us.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Make Am, or follow us on our social media platform at Sabi Make Am, or you fit even call us. Thank you.